Hi everyone. Today we look at the iPhone shortcuts that I practically use every day. Send ETA, update reminders, log activities, morning wake up routine are the shortcuts that I use. For send ETA, I use shortcuts with Google Maps and WhatsApp. For update reminders, it is shortcuts with reminders. For log activities, it is shortcuts with Apple Notes. For morning wake up routine, I use shortcuts with Apple Home. Today we are going to create a shortcut to send the estimated time of arrival message. Let's see how to do that using shortcuts. Click on select, add action, go to apps and then select or look for street address. This is where we are going to enter our address. Line 1 is the street name, line 2 is the location or the colony where do you live, enter the town or city. County is sometimes called state. So in this case, you enter the state where you live and enter the postal code or the zip code. Now we want to get the arrival time. So get travel time. So get the driving time from the current location to the street address. Now let us search for text. So in this text, we'll enter the message that you want to send to the recipient. So here I would like to send hi, I'll be home by, on the variable select the arrival time. So I'll be home by arrival time and complete the message with see you soon. Now we have the text ready to send. Now I want to send it by WhatsApp. So on the search you select for WhatsApp and then send message via WhatsApp. Send the text message via WhatsApp. So on the recipient, go to the contacts and look for the contacts to whomsoever you want to send the message. Once that is done, click done. So now let us rename this shortcut to a more meaningful one. In my case, I am renaming it to home, and we can always run this shortcut using a Siri voice command as well. So that is the purpose of renaming it to a more meaningful name. So now let us run the shortcut. Once the shortcut is run, it is asking for a confirmation. Click on send. Now let us get into the WhatsApp and then see how the message is sent. So when the message is sent now, I'll be home by, and the recipient also has received this message. We will use a reminder app which is available on iPhone to create a reminder, and we'll use a Siri shortcut. When we run, we'll automatically update the reminder app. Click on scheduled. So you type whatever reminder that you want to do. In my case, it is take vitamins, which I do on a daily basis. You can set this reminder as a recurring reminder on a daily basis, and I am not setting this as a recurring. I am just giving a demo. So I am selecting I'm not selecting repeat. So I have entered take vitamins. Now let us get into the Siri shortcut. So here first thing is we need to find the reminder. So go on all actions and then search for find reminders. In find reminders, we need to find the reminder what we have just entered. So go and instead of list, select, type name and then type the name of the reminder that we have set. In this case, it is take vitamins. Now the first thing is we are finding the reminder. The next thing is we need to edit the reminder. So go and look for edit reminder. In edit reminder, select is completed and set the condition to yes. So now let us rename the reminder. So let us rename the reminder as take vitamins. In this case, you can run either ways. One is you can click on the reminder. So now I am clicking on the reminder and the reminder is run now. So let us get back to the reminder app and then see the status of our reminder. So here now it is completed. This is how you will set a reminder on an iPhone, and then you will use the Siri shortcut to update the reminder once you have completed the activity. You can use Siri to update numbers app which is available on iPhone. So let us say you have a list of activities that you do, and once you run this shortcut, it will open the numbers app and you can update the activities that you do on a regular basis. So let us see how to do this using a Siri shortcut. Select and then now scroll up, so select apps, come and look for numbers, select numbers, and then select open spreadsheet. In the open spreadsheet you need to enter the name of the sheet that you want to open. In my case it is activity tracking. Let us rename the Siri shortcut. I will rename it to activity log. So click done. Now you go back and then you see your activity tracking. So this is the sheet that I have created. Now let us run the shortcut. So once I run the shortcut, it will automatically open the activity tracker and we can update the activity whatever you want to update on that particular day. Record a video for a morning routine. Select is snoozed, select wake up, select run immediately. So click next. Now we will select a blank automation. Now let us use an if condition to check whether the light is off before we switching it on. So type if. Now select the condition, the input condition. So now we will select the accessory, home accessory. In this case it is the bedroom light. Select the light. Now check for the condition whether the light is off. So in the alarm condition, the first light should be off, then we should turn it on. So now again go back to the apps, select your home, now control home, set scenes and accessories. In this case the accessory is light, and then the set what we are going to do is turn it on. So now it is off, we will turn it on. So the other condition is I also want to play the home pod once the light is turned on. Again go to the control home and then set scenes and accessories. In this case now I will select the home pod and then I will select play audio. You can browse and then choose any audio that you want to play once the bedroom light is on. So I am browsing down, I am picking up soundtrack which I want to play once I snooze my alarm. So I have selected, click done. So move the set bedroom and home pod above the otherwise condition. Now I also want to use the otherwise. You can skip if you want. In this case I am using a condition. I am checking for the light and set the light to off. So this is how you will set a personal automation for waking up daily morning. Consider subscribing if you find this video useful.